Yo, what is going on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some Ghost Driver codes in 2026. You can get some Roblox Ghost Driver codes to get tons of free money. You can even unlock all cars using these codes, and they're working right now in 2026. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos. Most of the codes are either expired or they give you very little in the way of rewards. I've actually managed to find some Ghost Driver codes. I believe you can get 50 million free money. Maybe it's 10 million. They do change quite often, so we will check that. Before I show you how to get these codes for Ghost Driver Roblox, make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's get into it. So what you need to do to get your codes is use your mobile phone. You can see I'm using an iPhone here, guys. You can do this on Android as well, of course. So open up the internet browser of choice and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead and type it like this, CRASHCOUPONS, Crash Coupons. There you go, guys. Type it like that. And what it's going to do is going to bring you to a awesome codes website. If you haven't seen them before, you are going to love this, guys. They actually have hundreds and hundreds of different codes, as you can see. So what you need to do is use the search bar, and in there, I'm just going to type in Ghost Driver, and it should pop up here, Ghost Driver Roblox, and there are two verified working codes. As you can see, this is a really popular method of getting codes for Ghost Driver. Thousands of people have actually done this. As I mentioned, you can get a code to unlock all cars. It's 50 million. That's awesome. So this is a code, guys, that you can redeem, and it's going to get 50 million free money in Ghost Driver Roblox. So I'm going to select that code. For this example, I used this one earlier today. As you can see, these are limited codes. So click on show full code. And what this is going to do, guys, this is going to give you one of the codes up there. So you can see there's 236 remaining. So this is going to give you one. There you go, 235 remaining. And guys, this is your code, but you need to unlock it, and that basically prevents people stealing all of the limited codes. Obviously, 50 million is a ton of money. So to get your Ghost Driver code for your free money, click on this button, and you just got to follow the instructions on this page here, guys. So you're going to have a list of tasks that are all completely free, and you need to complete 2 of them, and they're basically things like mobile apps, free surveys where you just answer questions, playing mobile games. As you can see here, it says follow the unlock instructions for each. So as you can see, there is some text that tells you how to complete each one. So just fully complete 2 tasks, and it's going to send you back to this page, and your Ghost Driver code will be unlocked. So this will be fully revealed. You simply redeem it in game, and that is going to give you 50 million free money in Ghost Driver. So that is it, guys. Head on over to Crash Coupons. These are definitely the best codes for Roblox Ghost Driver, so make sure you do follow all of the instructions. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.